Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I'll show you how you can activate fingerprint animation. So when you unlock your phone, you can get animation here on the sensor. So you have to go for the settings, find security and the lock screen, move for the fingerprints, use your verification method and find unlock animations. So we got only one, but we can get it. So let's set the ripple. And when we go back, let's check. As you can see right now, animation is activated. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.